How to hack Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to hack Instagram accounts. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So this video is only for the educational purposes, so don't misuse the video. So here are a few methods through which hackers use to hack your account. First method that hackers use to hack your Instagram account is known as phishing. So there are different types of phishing. That the very type of phishing is simply the phishing link. So if someone sends you a link, that is just an example of a phishing link. For example, if you open Google or any browser, you can easily type in phishing links and there you'll have all the websites that will create the phishing links. So if you click those phishing links, then the hackers will easily get access to your informations of Instagram due to because there are so many scripts and viruses entering into that link which enter your phone or computer and your Instagram account gets hacked. So there are some websites available on Google which will provide you the phishing links, and there are some coders themselves which can create the phishing links which are used to hack the Instagram account. So the second method for hacking the Instagram account is also a type of phishing. Now, what happens in that is that hackers send you same kind of links, and as soon as you click on that link, then you are redirected to the Instagram login page. The user thinks that it is the official Instagram login page, and he enters the username and password or the phone number or the email address or any kind of sensitive informations, and then the hacker can use to hack the Instagram account as soon as he presses the enters or the login button. The username and password that he enter into these fields get captured by hacker and he can hack your Instagram account. So these were some of the ways that how hackers hack Instagram accounts. But in order to um, help yourself or protect your Instagram account from being hacked, make sure you enable two-factor authentication. For that, simply you need to head towards your Instagram account. Log into your account and go to profile at bottom right corner of the screen. Head towards three-line icon at top right corner. Now, select Account Center. Tap Password and Security. Now tap two-factor authentication and choose your Instagram account. You can choose your security method, either authentication app or SMS or WhatsApp, and tap the next button. By following the prompts, you can easily activate it, and then you can add an extra layer of security. The other method you can follow is simply you can create a unique password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. So for that, again, you have to go to Account Center and then enter password and security, and you can select change password and choose your account. Here you need to enter your current password, new password, and retype new password, and make sure to check mark log out of other devices so that if your account has been logged into any other devices, it will be logged out. So once you have done that, make sure you keep your app updated. Regular updates help fix for vulnerabilities and ensure you have the latest version of the Instagram app. So by following the steps, you can keep your account safe and keep your account free from hacked or protect your account. So that is how we can say that the hackers hack the Instagram account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.